Multiplicity. In today's session, we will be discussing about what is multiplicity, what are the UML conventions used to represent multiplicity. So let's see about multiplicity now. Multiplicity specifies the number of instances of one class that may relate to a single instance of an associated class. Multiplicity constrains the number of related objects. So what does it mean? It means multiplicity specifies what number of objects of one class may relates to a object of its associated class. I repeat, multiplicity specifies what number of objects of one class may relates to a object of its associated class. Here, multiplicity constrains the number of related objects. It means multiplicity tells us the number of related objects. It tells what number of objects are related. Then we shall see what are all the UML conventions used for representing the multiplicity. So, UML diagrams explicitly list multiplicity at the ends of an association lines. UML diagrams explicitly list multiplicity at the ends of association lines. So, you can observe in the figure, so this is an association line, and what does the convention says that UML diagram explicitly list multiplicity at the ends of association line. So here at the ends of the line you can observe one is written over there. So it is nothing but it is representing the multiplicity. So what number of objects or the class are connected to the other association objects. So here 1 represents the multiplicity, and this line is nothing but it is a association line, and has capital is the association. What it is the connection between these two classes. Association is a relation between these two classes, whereas 1 is representing the multiplicity. Next, UML specifies multiplicity with an interval such as 1. It means it is exactly one object. Okay. Next, 1 dot dot. It means one or more. Then 3 dot dot 5. It means it is 3 to 5. Inclusive it is 3 to 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, star. You can say it is a many association, or you can also say it as 0 or more associations. So multiplicity, in the sense multiplicity specifies the number of instances of one class that may relate to a single instance of an associated class, whereas multiplicity constrains the number of related objects. It means multiplicity tells us the number of related objects, what number of objects are related. Then you can observe in the figure, and we have also discussed UML conventions. Next, you can observe in the figure, it is a 1-to-1 multiplicity. So one country can have one city as its capital city. So here it is represented in the class diagram. Country is the one class and capital city is the another class which is having the attribute name. So country class has capital city class. It means as capital is an association which is linked, the two classes are linked by the has capital association. So it tells us that you can observe in the object diagram. So it tells us that Canada is a country. It means Canada is an object here. Country is a class. So Canada has capital as Ottawa. Here Ottawa is an object. Capital city is a class name. You can observe in the above diagram what are the class, and you can say that what are the object here. So Canada, France, Senegal are the objects. So Ottawa, Paris, Dakar are the objects. So country and capital city are the class name. So Canada has capital as Ottawa. So Ottawa is the capital city for the country Canada. Similarly, France has capital Paris. Then Senegal has capital Dakar. So here it is a one-one relation. It means one-one multiplicity. It means one country can have one city has its capital city. So here exists one to one multiplicity. We call it as one to one multiplicity. So this is what multiplicity means. So till now we have discussed what is multiplicity and how to represent multiplicity using UML conventions. So for example, we have taken one to one multiplicity. So you can give others example also like 3 to 5 or star, that is asterisk, we say asterisk, that is many to many, or we can also say that zero or more association, zero or more multiplicity. Here 3 to 5 multiplicity and one dot dot, it represents that one or more multiplicity. So this is how multiplicity can be represented. Thank you.